Okay, so boom, today was wash day. Get ready for my box braids. Hair's drying, dry my hair with a t-shirt, less breakage. And why my cartilage piercing get caught like that? So trife. Got it. Woo. Anyways, stay tuned for the video. So a little tip that I do because my hair is thick and never wants to dry, it doesn't dry fast enough, I just put in my little sealy twist. So I'm going to take those out and get ready to blow dry the mane. So I'm going to get my avocado oil. I swear by this. I have a low porosity hair, so it's the perfect oil to actually penetrate the shaft as opposed to a thicker oil which just sits on it and doesn't really moisturize from the inside out. So I'm going to put this everywhere. I did not put a lot, but just enough. That's the benefit of oil in general. You don't have to put a lot. You can, but oil spreads easily. Just, play with it, tease your hair. Anyways, I worked it through and boom, hair moisturized. So now I'm gonna get my rat tail comb and divide my hair into 4 subsections. It's optional if you want to do this. I do it because, like I said, my hair is very thick and I don't think this little hair dryer can handle my hair. She has an attitude and, like I said, she talks back.
One eternity later.
Okay, yeah. So far I undid the 2 initial twists y'all saw, and I put avocado oil in my hair. I didn't put a lot, but I put a good amount. And now I'm about to start the review of the CONAIR. I don't even know what it's called, but I just know it's a blow dryer and it's like a comb. So I'm gonna let y'all know how I feel about it. This is not my first time using it. I just want y'all to see firsthand how it works on 3C/4A/4B hair. Mine, by the way. And y'all, I'm sweating a little bit because it's hot up in here. But the heat is good for my hair right now. But as you can see, I divided my hair into quarters and I blow dry. I blow dry my hair in quarters. It's easier. I don't know if it's necessarily faster, but it's easier, and that way I can manage it. So, hope you enjoy. Okay, y'all see me with my Sunny Isle Black Castor Oil. Extra dark, how I like my men. Anyways, I'm going to put that on my hair. I use it particularly as a heat protectant / moisture sealant. It's really good for my hair. It stinks and it's super thick, but girl, you got to get it. Okay, so now I'm going to take my little wig brush. I'm going to detangle my hair. Always go from your ends to your root. It is the natural hair dogma. Like, if you don't live by it, then don't be natural. Period. Anyways, I do this because I don't feel like that little blow dryer can easily just run through my hair. So I did this just to make it easier for myself. But try it without it. I don't know. Okay, so you saw the first section. I really like this. It comes with three different picks. I use the smallest one because I like my hair to be as straight as possible. They also have a comb that's a wider one, and then they have like an actual brush one that's like wider and it has more teeth. Um, but I really like this, and it doesn't take forever to dry my hair, and it was only like $20 on Amazon. Period. But I'm gonna finish up the sections, and then you'll get to see the whole look. Remember to use your castor oil or some type of heat protectant because if you want your hair to get dry faster, you want to put it on high heat. If you put it on the cool setting, it'll still get dry. It'll just take forever. So, use high heat and make sure you use heat protectant. It could be some type of oil, something that specifically says heat protectant. It's up to you. Mine is castor oil. All right. Stay tuned. Watch me dry the rest of my hair. Hope y'all enjoying it so far.
Really, nigga?
Yeah, I'm sweating because it's hot, but I'm done. I didn't put a lot of heat in it because I didn't want it to be bone straight. My sister gonna be giving me box braids, so I just wanted it to be easier for her to part and stuff because my hair is super thick. So this is my hair all blown out. You know I still got a little bit of BDBs, but like I said, I didn't put a whole bunch of heat in it because that's not what I was going for. But it's pretty blown out for the most part. But yeah, let's get into the review. And let me go get some water because, girl, my face is sweating. Alright, y'all, so this is the finishing look. Yes, it is still puffy because I was not putting all that heat in my hair. I just wanted to get it semi-straight to make it easier for my sister to comb and stuff. Because my hair is really thick and I'm not trying to get my hair ripped out. And it hurt too. Like, I'm not tender-headed, but why have your hair get pulled out if it don't have to? So, it did what I want to. So I would rate this blow dryer a 7 out of 10. I would give it a 7 out of 10 because when it gets too hot, it shuts off. And it gets too hot pretty fast. It gets too hot like literally every section I do my hair. And it only takes me about 2 minutes to do each section. So that's a con. Another con is sometimes this thing falls out, as y'all saw. Like, it just pops off. See, now I can't pop it off. I don't know how it pops off, but it does. What's another con? That's really it. All the pros are, it's fast. Like I said, I do each section in like 2-ish minutes. It's cheap. I got it right off Amazon, $20, maybe $21. I'm a Prime member, so shipping was free. And I think it was only like $20 or $21 with tax. Yeah, so I really like this blow dryer. I've been using it for like a year now, but I thought I would give y'all a first-hand look at how it works on this specific type of hair. I know I look crazy, but your girl gonna have box braids by tomorrow. I like it. And my hair, like, I can comb right through it. I can't do this with my hair not blow dried. But no, it's not bone straight. So if you try, is that a curl in the back? Did my hair get wet or something? Oh, I'm seeing stuff. Ooh, girl, I was about to be so pissed. But literally though, if you're trying to straighten your hair, I mean, you could use this, but you know how much extra effort it's gonna be. I would rather get the rolling brush and, you know, do it the old-fashioned way, like the Dominicans do. But also, I don't know, because I don't straighten my own hair. I go to this Dominican lady, and she get me right, okay, every single time. But yeah, I would recommend getting this if y'all need something quick to blow dry your hair. And it's cheap and pretty convenient, so I would get it. If y'all get it and y'all try it and y'all like it, let me know. If y'all get it and y'all try it and y'all don't like it, let me know. I hope y'all like this video. I keep it real. If I didn't like it, I would tell you. But I like it. I mean, it's some likes and dislikes, but for the most part, it's pretty good. Y'all see the shrinkage though? Like, your girl hair is long. You can't really see it right now because it is a little hot and I feel like my hair is shrinking up again. But yeah, shrinkage is real and I don't have time for it. But shrinkage does mean your hair is healthy or on the healthy side. But anyways, that's the video. That was the review. I hope you liked it. Comment, like, and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Peace.